Want to make money while you sleep? Let's explore how with ClickBank. Affiliate marketing is super simple. Promote someone else's product, and when people buy through your special link, you earn a commission. ClickBank offers tons of products in various niches for you to promote. Step 1. Find a niche you're passionate about. Health, fitness, self-development. Choose what resonates with you. Step 2. Sign up on ClickBank. It's easy and free. Fill out your profile completely. Step 3. Choose the right product. Look for high gravity scores and good reviews. Step 4. Promote your product. Create YouTube videos, blog posts, or social media content. Include your affiliate link. Step 5. Want to scale faster? Use paid ads cautiously. Understand your audience and start with small budgets. Step 6. Track your success. Check your ClickBank dashboard for performance insights. Tweak and optimize as needed. And that's it. Consistency is key. Start today and watch the magic of affiliate marketing unfold. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe and the bell icon for more affiliate marketing tips. See you in the next video.